So, understandably, SRLs will often feel overwhelmed and stressed when they receive a court summons. They often struggle with a lack of clarity in general when reviewing court documents. And research shows that when folks are overwhelmed, they don't take in information. And when SRLs don't have clarity about what they should do next, they're more likely to either not proceed or proceed without feeling confident. And so this doesn't set them up for success. We want to avoid that happening because research has shown that stress negatively affects a person's ability to concentrate and to process and remember information. And this was something that was corroborated by our focus groups. We found that participants who worked with difficult to understand materials are more likely to respond to the negative emotions they feel by giving up. So, like one participant, for example, said that they would throw out the notice that we provided them. Another said they'd wait for something else to appear to kind of confirm it. And so, when drafting your materials, there are kind of two main strategies that can help you address any kind of lack of clarity and the overwhelm and inaction that might come with that. So first, you can provide only essential information. And second, use effective formatting. So what do we mean by when we say essential information here? Users need to know just enough information to know what issues are at stake and how to deal with them. So what they don't need is citations or history or jargon. And they also don't need to know everything about how the process works. They need to be pointed to where to get more information. So the point really is to not overwhelm them. Through our research, we also learned that in addition to using only essential information, courts can really benefit from effectively formatting that information for their users for it to be best understood. So what does that look like? What does effective formatting look like? For one, what it doesn't mean is using dense blocks of text or run-on paragraphs or not providing illustrations. Instead, effective formatting means implementing kind of various design choices to address comprehensibility issues. So for example, instead of having all of your information in a paragraph, you should really use questions and answers, fill in the blanks, charts, bullet points. And research has shown that users read better when text is separated into different sections with dividers. White space, the second bullet point there, is also really important for breaking up information, improving readability, and making it more digestible. And materials should also use accessible design.